This is the homework for Paul McWhorter's AI on the Edge. Uh, this lesson consisted of getting to know Python. Well, I've been doing it for a while. I'm using this mostly to set up my gear to do the homework. If you look on the, if you look at the software here I've got set up, I've started the whole thing out. He asked us to do add averaging to the software he developed in lesson number 2. If you look in here, I've added a variable for bucket. That's to hold everything. Then of course there's num grades. Then he sets up a list, I guess. And down here, this is where we input the grades. And here is where we average the grades. What we do is we put in the bucket grades, however many grades there are, whatever number I is, and then we take it, average it by taking bucket and divide it by num grades. And down here, I said the average grade is string average, and that's the this will print the average value, which is this variable right here. And then, of course, this is where we print all the rest of the inputs from the grades. Okay, so if I run this, it gives you how many grades do you have? Well, I'm not going to get too many. I'm thinking 4. I'll go with 4. I got to turn on that. Okay, why is that not working? Okay, something has happened here. Oh, there it is. Okay, enter 4. Okay, now the first grade I'm going to put in, let's go with 90. And then we'll go with 92 and 93. Oops, I don't want to do that. And then 95. Okay, the average for that is 92.5. And it lists the grades 90, 92, 93, and 95. So there's my homework. And I had to check out this setup, mostly trying to do that. And thanks for doing these videos, Paul. I appreciate it. Bye.